People in general waste a lot of money in cleaning, washing their cars, especially if one uses the hose pipe, gallons and gallons of water is lost. I will show you how to minimize the use of water while cleaning the car. I use only minimum water, maybe less than a liter water, and a cloth and a soft brush. Get me the brush, please. Soft brush. Now, this small jug of water which I will be using, and this piece of cloth. The piece of cloth is not more than about half a meter, and this will be the brush that I will be using. First, I will remove the dust from all over the car by using this brush. You can see this how much dust is there on the glass planes, on the top, on the shields. I will use this brush to remove the dust. Then I will wash with the cloth dipped in water. We'll start. You can just see how the dust is coming down. See all this dust. Initially, I don't need water. I need to only remove the dust by using a soft dust remover. Brush of the salt. All this dust has come out. Here also the dust and removed. How much of dust? You can see the dust cleaning up. Here I'm removing the dust. And the back also. As I told you, is all the cloth that I'll be using. Not even half a meter cloth. I'll keep the cloth here. And water. Less than 1 liter in this jug. First I will finish dusting the surface of the car. All this dust I am removing from all ground. This side also. We have just parked the car outside for 2 days, just 2 days, and in this short period of 2 days, all this dust has got accumulated over the car. So the first part is over. Now the second part, I am taking the duster away. I am taking out this cloth. I will wet it in water once. Squeeze the cloth to remove the extra water. I will remove the water. The cloth is almost dry. Now with this cloth opened up completely, I will mop the car surface. See, the dust is coming off. Wherever there is some extra dirt or bird droppings, I will have to rub a little more. Then this portion, here, likewise. I am removing the dust. Now when I use both the sides of the cloth, and when it appears that the dust is removed and got transferred the cloth, I put the cloth back into the water and rinse it once, remove the extra water, and continue the same process in other areas. If there are some bird droppings, they may not come out